So hey guys, welcome to the second day of my vlogging, and today I'm in Taiwan also, and we're going to be traveling to the Nantou somewhere there, and then we're gonna go and explore a wood sculpture museum. And yeah, this is it. It's like a Buddhist place, and now we're on the way. Yeah, actually we're on the mountain and we're feeding sheep. Like we have pellets that we bought them in a box for 10 Taiwan dollars. And this is my hotel. The waterfall outside the hotel. We are very high up on the mountain right now, and it's currently 12 degrees and cold as heck. Okay, I'm like freezing. This is like the bridge, and I just took some photos and stuff. Yes. Anyways, my shoes were not outfit goals. Like, it doesn't match all my outfits because like it's purple, and all my outfits are like dull, like black, white, grey, monochrome. And the famous milk tea and the ticket to look at the sheep, so. So we're on top of the mountains now, and it's quite cold again. Took some photos and posted it onto my Instagram, so to go and like a picture and comment, I'll leave the link in my description box to my Instagram. Username Mami. And yeah, that's a pellet and the sheeps. They say the sheeps are friendly, so yeah. And it's very thirsty because like you want all your food, and that's me. And then there's like the guard dog to herd the sheep, and that's me again. Yeah, the whole bunch of sheep waiting to get their hair or hair, fur, anything cut, shaved off, I mean. The horse, that's horse too. Yeah, it's getting its hair slash fur, curly fries shaved. Okay, that's me imitating the sheep. And it's cold. It's cold outside. Yeah, that's all. I'm just feeding the sheep and stuff, and they had dinner and stuff. Yeah. So we just took a look at the horses and stuff. That's my dinner. It's home cooked at Qing.